Are you feeling tired every single day? Do you wake up, go to work, come home, and just sleep? If you have no time for fun, you are making a big mistake with your health and your English learning. Today, I promise to change your life. I will show you why playtime is the secret to a happy life and how it could help you learn English much faster. Welcome to the English Flow podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow podcast right now so you can learn English easily every day. Now, let us begin our journey to find your perfect playtime. What exactly is playtime? Many people think playtime is only for small children. They think kids play with toys and adults only work. But this is not true at all. Playtime is simply the time when you do something because you love it. You do not do it for money. You do not do it because your boss tells you to do it. You do it just to smile and be happy. Playtime is your free time. It is the time when you can relax your body and your mind. When you have playtime, you feel completely free. You can choose any activity you want. It is a special time in your day. Everyone in the world needs this special time. It helps you forget about your daily problems. It helps you feel like a happy child again. So playtime is very important for every person, no matter how old you are. Why do adults forget to play? This is a very big question. When we are young, we play every single day. We run, we jump, and we laugh a lot. But when we grow up, things change. We get busy with our jobs. We have to clean the house. We have to cook food and pay for things. We look at our clocks all the time. We say, I have no time for fun. I am too busy today. This is a very bad habit. We forget that our bodies need rest. We forget that our minds need fun. We think working hard is the only important thing in life. But working all the time makes us very tired. It makes us feel sad and stressed. We must remember how to play. We must look at our busy days and find a little time for fun. It is not a waste of time. It is a necessary thing for a good life. Let us talk about a very important question. The question is, what do you do for fun? People ask this question a lot when they meet you. It is a great way to make new friends. When someone asks you this, they want to know what makes you happy. They want to know about your hobbies. A hobby is an activity you do in your free time. You can answer this question in many simple ways. You can say, I play football for fun. You can say, I read books for fun. Or you can say, I like to cook in my free time. It is very good to know how to answer this question in English. It helps you talk to people from different countries. You can share your favorite activities with them. You can learn about their favorite activities too. This makes learning English very interesting and very useful for your daily life. Now, let us talk about outdoor activities. Outdoor means you are outside your house. You are under the sky. Many people love to go outside for fun. What do you do for fun outside? Some people like to walk in the park. Walking in the park is very relaxing. You can see green trees and beautiful flowers. You can hear the birds singing in the sky. Other people like to play sports. They play football, basketball, or tennis with their friends. Running and playing sports are very good for your physical health. They make your heart very strong. Some people like to ride a bicycle. Riding a bicycle on a sunny day is a wonderful hobby. You feel the fresh air on your face. You can travel to new places in your city. Being outside gives you a lot of good energy. It is a great way to spend your playtime and feel very happy. Next, let us talk about indoor activities. Indoor means you are inside your house or inside a building. Sometimes the weather is bad. Sometimes it is raining or it is very cold outside. When this happens, you need to find fun things to do inside. What do you do for fun inside? Many people love to watch movies or television shows. You can sit on your comfortable sofa and watch a funny movie. This is a very easy way to relax. Other people like to listen to music. You can listen to your favorite songs and sing loudly in your room. Some people like to play video games or board games. Playing games with your family is very exciting. You laugh together and have a great time. Reading a good book is also a wonderful indoor hobby. You can travel to different worlds in your mind. Indoor playtime is very peaceful and very comfortable for everyone. We also have creative hobbies. Creative means you make something new with your own hands or your own mind. Creative hobbies are fantastic for your brain. What do you do for fun that is creative? Many people like to draw pictures or paint with many colors. You do not need to be a famous artist to paint. You just need some paper and some colors. You can paint a tree, a house, or a cat. It is very relaxing to put colors on paper. Other people like to cook or bake. Making a new cake or a delicious soup is very creative. You mix different things together and make wonderful food. Some people like to write stories or write in a journal. Writing helps you understand your feelings. When you do creative things, you feel very proud of yourself. You look at what you made and you smile. Creative playtime brings a lot of joy to your life. Why is playtime so good for your health? Many doctors say that playtime is like medicine for your body. When you work all day, your body feels tight and heavy. You feel a lot of stress. Stress is very bad for your heart and your stomach. But when you play and have fun, your body changes. You start to laugh. Laughing is the best medicine in the world. It relaxes your muscles. It makes your breathing slow and deep. When you spend time doing things you love, you sleep much better at night. You wake up in the morning feeling fresh and full of energy. Playtime helps you stay young and healthy. It stops you from getting sick very often. If you want to live a long and happy life, you must make time to play. Your body will thank you for giving it a break from hard work and worry. Playtime is also very good for your brain. Your brain works very hard every single day. It thinks about your job, your family, and your money. It needs a vacation sometimes. When you play, you give your brain a nice vacation. Doing fun hobbies helps your brain grow stronger. When you learn a new game, your brain makes new connections. When you read a book, your brain learns new words and new ideas. Playtime makes you smarter. It helps you solve problems better at your job. When you return to work after a fun weekend, your mind is clear. You can think very fast. You can remember things much better. Fun activities keep your mind sharp and active. Even simple things like doing a puzzle can help your brain stay healthy. So do not think that playing is a waste of your time. It is actually a very smart thing to do for your mind. Let us talk about social playtime. Social means being with other people. Playing with your friends or your family is very special. When you share your fun time with others, the fun becomes much bigger. What do you do for fun with your friends? Maybe you go to a restaurant and eat delicious food together. Maybe you go to the cinema to watch a scary movie. When you play games with your family, you build strong relationships. You learn to listen to each other. You learn to share and to be kind. Laughing with another person makes you feel loved and safe. It cures loneliness. Many people feel lonely because they only work and go home to an empty house. If you invite a friend to play a sport or walk in the park, you will feel much better. Social playtime brings people closer together and makes the world a much happier place to live. Now let us talk about solo playtime. Solo means you are alone by yourself. Sometimes you don't want to be with other people. You just want quiet time. This is also very healthy and very normal. Solo playtime is your personal time. What do you do for fun when you are alone? You can take a long, warm bath with nice soap. You can sit in your garden and drink a cup of hot tea. You can listen to a podcast like this one and just relax your eyes. When you are alone, you can listen to your own thoughts. You do not have to talk. You do not have to smile if you do not want to. You can just be yourself. Solo playtime helps you find peace in your heart. It recharges your personal battery. Everyone needs a little bit of quiet time every day to feel calm and strong again. How can you make time for fun in your busy life? This is the hardest part for many adults. You must plan your playtime. You write your work meetings in your calendar. You write your doctor appointments in your calendar. You must also write your playtime in your calendar. You can say, on Saturday morning, I will walk in the park for 1 hour. This is my time, and nothing will change it. You must protect your fun time. Do not look at your mobile phone when you are playing. Do not check your work emails. Put your phone away in a drawer. Give all your attention to your hobby. Start with just 15 minutes a day. 15 minutes of reading or drawing can change your whole day. It is not about having a lot of time. It is about making the time you have very special. You deserve to have fun every single day. Finally, let us talk about learning English as a fun hobby. Yes, learning a new language can be your playtime. Many people think studying English is hard work. They think about boring grammar books and difficult tests. But it does not have to be like that. You can make English fun. What do you do for fun to learn English? You can watch English movies with subtitles. You can listen to English music and sing along. You can play English word games on your phone. You can listen to the English Flow podcast while you walk your dog. When you learn English for fun, your brain remembers the words much faster. You do not feel stressed. You feel excited to understand new things. Every new word is like a little victory. So, change your mind today. Make English your favorite hobby. Enjoy the beautiful sound of the language and have a lot of fun while you learn. We have talked about many wonderful things today. We learned what playtime really means. We learned that adults need to play just as much as children do. We answered the important question, what do you do for fun? We explored beautiful outdoor hobbies like walking and playing sports. We also talked about cozy indoor hobbies like reading books and watching movies. We discovered that creative activities, social time with friends, and quiet solo time are all very important for your health and your brain. Most importantly, we learned that studying English can be your favorite fun hobby. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will explore the secret world of dreams and what they mean in simple English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep smiling, keep playing, and keep speaking English.